Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of true wireless earbuds with all new Truke Clarity 6. Are you looking for earbuds that offers crystal clear calls, endless entertainment and seamless connectivity? Then keep on watching. The Truke Clarity 6 boasts some impressive features that elevate your audio experience. First up, let's talk about the call quality. With 6 advanced environmental noise cancellation microphones, background noise is a thing of the past. Whether you are taking a call at a crowded cafe or working from a noisy home office, your voice will always be center stage. Next, let's talk about the battery life. The Clarity 6 is a marathon runner, not a sprinter. With a whopping 80 hours of total playtime using the charging case, you can listen to music, podcast or audiobooks for days on end. The earbuds themselves offer up to 10 hours of playback on a single charge, perfect for commute or extend gym sessions. Need to switch between devices quickly? No problem. The Clarity 6 features seamless dual connectivity, allowing you to effortlessly pair with two devices simultaneously. Answer a call on your phone without a missing beat on your laptop. For the audiophiles out there, the Clarity 6 comes equipped with 13mm titanium drivers. These powerful drivers deliver rich, immersive audio with precise sound, making your music come alive. Plus, the 3 EQ modes, you can customize the sound signature to your preference. But wait, there's more. On top of these amazing features, the Clarity 6 boasts a sleek and comfortable design. The earbuds are lightweight and secure, perfect for active lifestyle. They are also IPX5 Water Resistant, so you don't have to worry about a little sweat or rain ruining your workout. If you are looking for a feature-packed earbuds that deliver superior call quality, endless playtime and seamless connectivity, then the Truke Clarity 6 is a great option to consider. With its powerful driver, customizable sound and comfortable design, these earbuds are perfect for music lovers, professionals on the go and anyone who wants to escape in their own world of audio bliss. Thanks for watching and let me know in the comments below what features are most important to you in a pair of earbuds, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more unboxing videos.